Hey, I'm John.
Hi, I'm
Nice to
Kristen.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hey, how's it going, John? Good.
Welcome to the cottage.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Kristen, nice to meet you.
Nice
to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet
Justin.
you too.
We're gonna do salmon, and we're gonna do salmon on papillote. So you do it in parchment paper, and you lay it on a bed of shallots and garlic, and then you put lemon on top of it, and it just looks really cool. And then you fold the paper around, and you put it in the oven, and it's really quick, and it looks really elegant. So
Great.
I think it'll be cool.
Yeah,
And it's
sounds
really
great.
easy. It's like the kind of recipe that will you can have a dinner party, and people will be like, oh my god, you did this, and you're like, it's so easy. So it'll be fun.
Cheers. Olive oil, a lot of cayenne pepper, garlic. 5 cloves of garlic all together. And
There we go.
breaking points.
Oh.
So you don't need to use a knife or anything like that. And just bend the whole thing.
You're very nice.
All right, so we have 2 salmon and we have 2 steelhead.
Parchment paper is your friend.
Seriously, this is great for baking. You can put it on sheet pans. It does not burn. It won't catch fire. It's awesome.
Lightly brush the right side with
I like to
olive
do.
oil.
And you want to use a lighter olive oil, you don't want to use heavy, like a virgin olive oil. That's too heavy. So we're going to do the scallions. So this is one of those things where you can really, just whatever your creative juices tell you to do. I mean, you can do sweeter, you can do saltier, you can do spicier. Just a
already
dash,
great,
just a little flavor. And the lemon.
Garlic here,
And your horse
very,
sauce.
very important. They change color and taste them, just like with spaghetti. You know, as easy as that. That's it.
Asparagus.
Yeah, just
Go ahead,
move the
Jess,
whole
keep getting
thing.
there.
This will be very tender. Little more.
And then I have some raisins heating up. We'll put that on a bowl.
Whole,
Right, 4
okay.
in one whole, right.
Maybe 3 cups. Are you done already? Egg number 2.
She's like, uh-oh. Oh, and look at all the,
Ah, that's
What
an
do I
easy
do
way
with
to do it. Everything in your hands.
Let me heat the cream up, John.
Brandy. Just a little bit, you know, just, you know. Yeah, don't be afraid. So the bowl has to be hot.
How far do I fill it up?
As much as you want. You have fun?
Yeah, we say that halfway.
Don't put too much. You cannot stay in the same place with flame too long, so it's gonna burn.
I love the smell.
Did you learn something?
Yes, a lot.
Good. Well, it was so nice having you guys.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Really enjoyed it. It was really, really nice to meet you.